This is Tim from Greenwood Auto Repair. I just want to do a quick video. This is a 2003 Dodge Neon. The customer complaint is when he drives the car during the day, shuts it off, the next morning the battery is dead. So the battery is draining overnight. So there's some sort of parasitic draw on this car somewhere, and I'm going to show everybody here an easy way to find it. This isn't absolute. There's some variables in it. Each car is going to be a little different, but this will tell you exactly in what area the short exists at. So the tools needed for this is a pair of pliers, needle nose pliers to pull the fuses, and a standard test light, a 12-volt test light. That's all that's needed to diagnose this car. And we're probably going to find this problem hopefully within a few minutes if everything goes well. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect the negative battery terminal. You could do this on either the positive or the negative, but I choose to disconnect the positive. So now with the negative terminal disconnected, what we're going to do, we're going to install this test light onto the negative cable. And we're going to touch the test end of this test light to the negative battery terminal. And if there is parasitic draw, this will light up. It's going to show that there's current flowing through this battery into the vehicle. The ignition is shut off, there's no dome lights on, this should not be drawing any power. So here we go. And we're lit up. So there is 12 volts running through this when the vehicle shut off. So what you do in this situation, we're going to start with the engine compartment fuse panel. We're going to leave the test light connected to the battery so that there is light. We're going to start pulling fuses. When we pull the correct fuse that where the short exists, this light is going to go off. So I'm just going right down the line here. First fuse, starter relay. Second fuse, ABS. We're going to go for this one because it is easy to take out. Okay, there we go. So when I disconnected this fuse, this light went out. So this will show us the area where the short exists. Now let's see what that fuse belongs to. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a 20 amp fuse. It controls the radio and the interior lamps. That's where the short is. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to put the fuse back in, mess with the radio, and see if this has any effect on the light.